Good morning children, welcome to GK class. In today's class, we are learning a new lesson. What is the name of the lesson? Games we play. Do you play games? Which kind of games do you play? Indoor or outdoor? What are indoor games? What are outdoor games? We will learn in this lesson. Okay? The games we play outside in the playground or in the park. You will play, no? You will go and play outside the house. Those are outdoor games. Tell me some names. What are the games you play? What are the games you love to play? Yes, first one is cricket. I know. Cricket. Next, badminton. Okay. Next, hockey. These are the examples for outdoor games. And if you go to park, you love to play slides also, right? Yes. Okay. Now what are indoor games? The games we play inside our house. Nowadays you are not going outside, no? You are playing only indoor games. What are the indoor games you are playing? Tell me. Chess. Yes, chess improves our mind power. Okay. Next, caroms. Okay, these are indoor games. Tell me some more examples. You love to play indoor games. Yes, snake and ladder. Have you seen snake and ladder? Snakes are going up ladders. You can see snakes and ladders in that game. That is a colorful game. You will have one dice and you play with the dice. Right? Okay, snake and ladder. Next, Ludo. Okay, these are indoor games. Now, you will play some outdoor games like police and thief. Have you played that? Okay, girls love skipping also, right? All these games, outdoor games, are good for our health. They help in our physical fitness. Okay? It keeps our body fit by playing outdoor games. It helps like our exercise. If we play games, it is like doing exercise regularly only. Okay. In your school, you have any sports competitions? Have you participated in competitions? Like running race, yes, skipping, otherwise lemon and spoon competitions. Have you participated? Okay, if you lose, you will cry, no? Don't cry. Okay? If you win or lose, you have to keep up the spirit. Okay? You have to play. Don't cry when you lose the game. We have to keep up the spirit of sports. Okay? Now look at the board. We have some points. I will read that, you listen, okay? Games give us physical exercise. So you have to play games daily. Physical exercise is needed for our healthy body. Cricket, football, volleyball, hockey, badminton are outdoor games. What are the outdoor games? Repeat. Cricket, football, volleyball, hockey. Okay. And badminton also. Next, caroms, chess, table tennis are some of the indoor games. Tell me indoor games. Caroms, chess, table tennis. Okay, these are indoor games. Look at the board. We have some words. We'll read with spellings. Repeat after me. Games. G-A-M-E-S. Games. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. Hockey. Football. F-O-O-T. Foot. B-A-L-L. Ball. Football. Chess. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Carom. C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. Skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Skipping. Seesaw. S-E-A-C-S-A-W saw. Seesaw. Okay children, learn this and write neatly in your notebook. Look here, cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. First, this is matching. We have to match these names with their pictures. Okay? This is cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Match with cricket bat. Badminton. Badminton match with a badminton bat. Football. F-O-O-T foot. B-A-L-L ball. Football. Hockey. H-O-C-K-E-Y. This is hockey stick. Carom. C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. Carom board. C-H-E-S is chess. This is chess board. Okay? Cricket, badminton, football, hockey, carom, chess. Look here, we have some question answers. Repeat after me. Question answers only for orals. Learn orally. Why should we play games? We should play games for fun and exercise. Repeat after me. We should play games for fun and exercise. Second question. Name few outdoor games. Cricket, football, volleyball, hockey are outdoor games. Cricket, football, volleyball, hockey are outdoor games. Third question. Name few indoor games. Chess, caroms and table tennis are some indoor games. Fourth one. How should we play games? Answer. We should always play fair games. Fifth one. What are the play equipments found in your school? Ladder and slide, seesaw, skipping. Learn these question answers orally and write the words neatly and learn with spellings.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths class. Today we are going to learn number names 1 to 20. Okay, already we have practiced. Okay children, once again we will repeat. First, 1. O-N-E, 1. 2. T-W-O, 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4. F-O-U-R, 4. 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 6. S-I-X, 6. Next one, 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. H-E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Next, 10. T-E-N, 10. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Next one, 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Now 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. From here it is very easy to learn spellings. See, 6. You know 6 spelling now? After we have to add T-E-E-N. Okay? 16. Now next 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. Now 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Now 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Now number 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Okay children, you have to practice. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi class. Today we are going to learn identify the pictures and write first letter. We have to identify pictures and write first letter. Okay, I have given you some pictures. You have to identify and write their first letter. Okay children, look here. Which is first picture? This is arm. A say arm. So we have to write A, first letter for arm. Okay, we have to write here. Next one. Come on, say which letter is this? This is I. Say Ainak. Ainak. I. We have to write I here. I say Ainak. Now next one. This is fish. In Hindi we will say Jash. Jha say Jash. So we have to write Jha. Second Jha. Okay. Now next. What is this? This is Gha se Ghadi. So we have to write Gha here. Okay children. Now next one. Eek. E say eek. Right here E. Okay. Now next. Cha say Chhatri. Right here Cha. Okay, like this you have to identify the picture and write their first letter. Okay children? Hello everyone, welcome to Telugu class. Ee roju mana Telugu class lo matching art to Inya, letter to picture. Okay? Look here all of you. First అసలు మనము ఏం లెటర్స్ ఇచ్చారనేది చూద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ పిక్చర్స్ ఏమున్నాయి అనేది చదువుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? ఏ కా అం ఈ ఆ ఐ ఘ. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ పిక్చర్స్ చూడండి ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి. ఏంటి పిక్చర్ నేము? కమలము. కమలము. ఇల్లు. ఇల్లు. ఆకు. ఐదు. ఘటము. ఎలుక. అంకెలు. ఫస్ట్ మనము పిక్చర్స్ ఏమున్నాయి, లెటర్స్ ఏమున్నాయి చదువుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాచింగ్ కి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. మ్యాచింగ్ అంటే ఏమంటారు? జతపరచండి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఏ. ఎలుక. ఎలుక ఎక్కడుంది? ఎలుక ఈ విధంగా సెర్చ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? ఇదేనా ఎలుక? ఎలుక. జతపరచండి, మ్యాచింగ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కా. కా అంటే ఏంటి? కమలము. కమలము. ఓకే, మ్యాచ్ ప్లీజ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆ పక్కన సున్నా పెడితే అంకెలు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ. వెరీ గుడ్. అంకెలు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇల్లు. ఓకేనా? వెరీ గుడ్. ఇల్లు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆకు. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. ఆ ఆకు ఎక్కడుంది? ఇక్కడ ఆకు మ్యాచ్ దిస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఐదు. ఓకే, ఐదు. ఐదు మ్యాచింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఘటము. ఓకే, ఘటము మ్యాచ్ దిస్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, మీకు అర్థమైందా? ఎప్పుడైనా మనం మ్యాచింగ్ చేయాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఏం లెటర్స్ ఇచ్చారు, పిక్చర్స్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారో చెప్పాలి. అప్పుడు ఈజీగా మ్యాచింగ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ప్రాక్టీస్ వెల్ చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.